Hi, how are you wherever you are? Welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin, and we continue learning Kikuyu together. Thank you for all those who have subscribed. Let me remind you before we start our lesson, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we can work together in learning Kikuyu with I, Teacher Martin. So today we are going to check into maretwa ma irio cia Agikuyu. Maretwa ma irio cia Agikuyu. Maretwa ma irio cia Agikuyu. Names for Kikuyu food. And we start. Irio cia Agikuyu. Food for the Kikuyus. So we start with waru. Waru. Waru is potatoes. When you only have one piece of potato, it will be kewaru. That is a potato. The second one that we are going to learn today is gouache. Gouache. Gouache is sweet potatoes. Good. We go to our third, meaga. Meaga. Meaga is cassavas. Yeah, I have added pictures so that your learning can be made easier. When you only have one piece of cassava, it will be mwaga. That is cassava. Okay. We go to the next one. Marigo. Marigo. Marigo refers to bananas, to matoke, and all that. So when there are many, there are marigo bananas. When you only have one piece, it is irigo. That is a piece of banana. When they ripe, they are called meru. 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 Meru is ripe bananas. Okay, good. We go to the next one. Doma. Doma is arrowroot. Doma is arrowroot. Then we go to another one. Ikwa is yams. When it is one, it is gekwa yam. And there is a Kikuyu proverb that says kwedana tagekwa na mukogogo. Kwedana tagekwa na mukogogo. So the reason for that is that in Kikuyu land, yam, you know, it's a climbing plant. So commonly they used a tree called mukogogo. I don't know it's English or binomial nomenclature name or so, but that tree is called mukogogo. So or you could not find gekwa without mukogogo. So that was the reason for that proverb, kwedana tagekwa na mukogogo, as serving as gekwa and mukogogo. And before we close our very short lesson for this food for Kikuyus, we are going to check into also in bananas. We have the leaves. Leaves for bananas are called mashoya. 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 And then the banana tree is called muraba. 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 Good. Now we add with arrowroot leaves. Arrowroot leaves. Mahuti madoma. Mahuti is leaves. They are called maroto. 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 And some people cooks them. Yeah, they cooks them. They are called maroto. Maroto. Good. So I hope that you have learned something today. I wish you all the best. Have the best time. Let's continue learning Kikuyu. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and let us meet in the next video. God bless you. Goodbye for now. See you another day. Thank you.